Hi, welcome to my channel, Look 10 Years Younger, and today's going to be a quick video where I'm going to share my favourite products of 2022 so far, and they include skincare, food, supplement, a few different types of stuff. So yeah, I'm going to link them all below and hopefully you enjoy this video. So I want to start off with this deodorant which is called We Love the Planet. And the thing with these natural deodorants is that sometimes they don't work and it's a waste of money, but this is literally cardboard. There's no waste to this. I really love this. It can be recycled, and it's basically like orange oil. You apply this under your arm and it's like an oil and it kind of builds up, so you use this every day and eventually, I don't know how this works, but it stops the kind of BO smell and it keeps you really fresh. It's $8.99, and if you're in the UK you can buy this in Oxfam, so you're kind of helping charity as well. The next thing is this new collagen supplement from Do Not Age. So I've been using loads of Do Not Age products for the last couple of years. It's a brand that I trust because they have third-party independent testing and there's loads of science on their website to back up their products. I've taken collagen before, but the thing is you never really know what you're getting when you buy it online. So because I recognise this brand and I love it, I was really excited that they've just launched this collagen product this month, so I'm definitely going to be trialing this. My last video was questioning the safety of hyaluronic acid, and you can check that out here. So some of you recommended beta-glucan or beta-glucan, I don't really know how you pronounce it, but this is an alternative to hyaluronic acid. Now supposedly this is supposed to be 20% more moisturising than hyaluronic acid, so I got some of this on Amazon. I'll link this below, and it's very similar. You can see it's a gel, it's clear, but I've got to say, from the very first time I used this, when I put it on my skin, it feels so much more moisturising than hyaluronic acid. So this is like a moisturiser. So with hyaluronic acid, you apply it to your skin and you put moisturiser over the top. With this, you just put it on and it's not as, it doesn't glide over your skin in the same way that hyaluronic acid does, but it actually gives you more of a moisturising feeling. So I'm really happy with this, and I've only been using this about a week, so I definitely recommend this. So this is Ultrasun SPF 50 Sports. Now I've mentioned this before, but I'm going to mention it again because I use so much of this. I use it every day. It's basically an SPF which is transparent. So the problem with these high protection sunscreens is that they're just so thick and white and they're difficult to remove. This is light and it's sweat resistant, and you know, it's transparent. No one can even see that you're using it. So this is a little bit pricey, but it's £28, but it's worth it, honestly. And one jar, if you use it every day, it will still last about, I don't know, 7 months, something like that. So if you're using sunscreen every day, the problem is how do you get the damn stuff off your skin? So I found DHC, Deep Cleansing Oil. So when I travel, I use this little one, and then I use this one at home. So this is basically like an olive oil cleansing serum, and you just put a couple of drops in your fingers, you rub it on your face, and then you wash it out with water. This will take away sunscreen, makeup, everything without scrubbing or rubbing or trying too hard. This is probably my favourite product out of all the ones that I'm talking about today. So quickly want to mention Kingfisher toothpaste. I got this in the Whole Foods store, but you can get this online. And Kingfisher is a natural brand, so their toothpaste doesn't contain fluoride. So when I started using this about a year ago, I was thinking, oh, are my teeth going to fall out? You know, is fluoride essential? You know, maybe it's not good to have a fluoride-free toothpaste. But actually, you know, my teeth, I've been to the dentist, my teeth are healthy. This is great. You don't get that kind of stinging sensation in your mouth when you use it. This is Chanel Le Gel. This is a cleansing gel, which is amazing. Now, I'd never go out to a department store and buy a Chanel product because it's too expensive, and they use a lot of plastic, and I don't know, I guess it's tested on animals, I don't know. It's not really my style. Someone bought this for me as a Christmas present at Christmas last year, and you can see how much it's gone down. That's in, you know, 8 months of usage, so it really lasts a long time. And I know it's in plastic and it's not perfect, but it's great. It's anti-pollution. This leaves my skin soft and clean, and it's really effective. Price wise, I have no idea. I'm guessing this is over £100, so this is really a luxury product on the high end, but if that's your thing, I definitely recommend this. So over the last few months, I've been trying to detox, to kind of eat healthy and look at supplements and stuff that cleanse my body from inside. So one of the things I've been taking is this cilantro heavy metal detox. So this is basically a brown liquid. It tastes just like tea, and you put 3 drops into half a glass of water 3 times a day, and you do that for a couple of weeks. So it's made by Planetary Herbals, and I got this on Amazon. I'll link this below. Now, is this detoxing me? I don't know, but I love the idea, and you know, I did a bit of research, and it seems to be quite a good thing to do anyway. It's not bad for you. This is great if you've had you know, metal fillings. This is a heavy metal detox, so all the toxic stuff that we're ingesting throughout the day, this is good to do this once a year or whenever you feel like it. Another way you can detox is to take bentonite clay. So this is a specific type of clay that you can drink. So when I was looking for this, it was really difficult, and I found this, which is made by Return to Natural. I found this on eBay because when you buy this online, a lot of it is meant for cosmetic use, for making you know, face packs and stuff like that. This is actually able to be ingested and it's safe, so you've really got to check when you buy this. But again, with this, you just mix it with water. I put it in like a shaker, and I drink this once a day or a couple of times a week. And again, it's how do you know whether this is working? Well, this has been used since ancient times. The last couple of products I want to mention is firstly Plenish organic coconut milk. So I cut dairy years and years ago, and I'm always trying different, you know, dairy alternatives. I really love this because it's literally just 4 ingredients. This is organic coconut, organic rice, salt and water. There's nothing else. It actually, I wasn't that impressed when I started to drink this, but what you have to do is shake it before you use it, and it's quite creamy. I really like this. So if you're in the UK, you can definitely buy this for about £1.70. I got this in Tesco. I'm not sure whether this is available in the US. And this is Hunter Gatherer olive oil mayonnaise. So I've tried to stop eating vegetable oil because it is highly unstable, and when you ingest it, it releases free radicals and it's not good at all. So I'm trying to move away from all kind of vegetable oils in my food, which is hugely difficult because it's in everything. So I found this mayonnaise, which is made of olive oil rather than rapeseed oil or sunflower oil. So this is quite expensive. It's £4.50, and it comes from a company called Hunter Gatherer online. I don't know whether this is in the US, but I got this in the UK, so just wanted to mention I like this. The taste is great. So that's it. They were my favourite products for 2022 so far. If you've got any comments or questions, please put them below and I'll try to answer. If you've enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing and liking the video, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.